setting up the Items Account Names form. Start by going to Bookkeeping Accounting. Click on QuickBooks Items Preferences, and then Items Account Names. The item account names are used to map other charges sold on a buyer's order to the accounts and classes in QuickBooks. This allows bills to be created and sent to QuickBooks for F&I products, fees, and other charges on the buyer's order. Also to send invoices for the dealer reserve and manufacturer's rebates or holdbacks. The first column in the Items Account Names form contains system names for the items that may appear on the buyer's order. Again, these are system names and they cannot be changed. Second column, we have the item full name, and the item full name column interfaces directly with the QuickBooks item list. Let's take a look at the service contract. Service contracts are one of the items that would be sold with the deal, and here we would just pick from the drop-down. And we can see that we've selected that item from QuickBooks. Then we move to the Class Full Name column, where we select the class in QuickBooks and the Accounts Payable account. We can just select the drop-down, and we select the Accounts Payable account. If you get all your service contracts from one provider, you can select that preferred vendor here. Keep in mind that when you go to create the bill, you would be able to select a different vendor if you needed to. And finally, what we need to do is tell the system that we need to create a bill. And that's what we're doing here by checking off this box. We're telling the system to create a bill. In the case of F&I products sold, the cost of the contract will vary, so we leave the cost field blank. When you actually create the bill, you will be able to enter the cost and the selling price. Let's go up and take a look at one more example, the registration fee. We can see here that we've selected our item from QuickBooks. We have our class assigned and the Accounts Payable account. In this case, our preferred vendor is the Rhode Island Department of Motor Vehicles. And in this case, the amount is fixed. We already have it entered in. We have the Create Bill box checked, telling the system to create the bill. And this box here is the cost equals fee. So if you're not making a profit on the fees, you want this box checked. Okay, let's go take a look at a deal and see how this works. We'll go up and click on Look Up Deal. And let's pick this one. We go down and select Escape Main Menu. And this brings up the sales status form. We can see here that this deal has been sent to accounting, which now allows us to create bills for other charges. The invoice must first be sent to QuickBooks before we're allowed to do this. Let's click on Create Bills for Other Charges. In here we can see the title fee, registration fee, we are selling a service contract, and a tire warranty. Now we can double click on the item above to add to the bill list, but an easier way if you're sending them all over is to click Add All. Here we can see where the bills are being set up and everything's filled in automatically. And if you needed to change the preferred vendor or the cost or price, you would do that now before you created the bill. Now we can go down and click on Create Update Bills. Everything's highlighted now in blue, which indicates the invoice was sent to QuickBooks. And that's it, setting up the Items Account Names form.